Hey big head, A1s, day ones, and if you're a new one, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video. All right, so look at them, check them out in all their glory. They were beautiful, a blooming chrome French, so pretty. It's been 3 weeks, girl. They are hanging on for dear life. Look at them, so much new growth. They still look really good. A lot of new growth, but they look good. As a long nail girl, lifting in this nail bed area right there is really due to pressure. When you put pressure and you're doing things and you kind of do this motion, that will cause the nails to kind of lift there. So they've grown out so much. I really want to see what's going on under there. The first thing I do is I go in with this metal kind of cone bit and just debulk. I go in, shave down that cuticle area because everything needs to be repositioned. I found some lifting there on the thumb in the corner. It could be top coat. It could be acrylic. It could be clear. I wasn't using a really good clear because I had ran out of the one that I like. And then I go in with a cuticle bit. This is a diamond cuticle bit, and really get any dead skin off, any products from that cuticle area. I don't get really bad cuticles, so this cuticle bit really cleans me up nice. I can clean any product and also dead skin without, being too harsh on the natural nail. Look at them. Not too bad. I want to show you them up close. It has been like 3 weeks to the day, like a month. All right. And so I'm going to go in and now I'm going to clean up the design. I don't focus too hard on the design. I really want to clean up that area and debulk, and then I'll just hand file off any gel polish. I'm going to clean them up some more, and I hope you're here for this video. It's just like a long nail fill, and I wanted you to see what the nails would look like, what they are looking like after 3 weeks. So if you're interested in the products that I'm using, maybe you're having trouble keeping your nails on forever. I started doing nails during COVID, so my motto was like, you may die in these. So the usual over here is definitely my Cassie monomer. I love this stuff. I get it from Amazon. It does have a monomer odor, but I love the fact that it doesn't linger. Once you clean up everything, like the smell is gone. It does not smell like you do nails in that area. Next is my No Lift Nail Primer. I love this stuff. Sometimes it may look like you have lifting, but once I put the primer on, like look at this thumb. You may think there's a little dry spot there, but once I wet it and put on the primer, you can see that it's just flat and flush, and it's not lifting, it's just discolored. And once I washed my hands, dried them, and then put on the primer, and really got to look at it, it was just a little discoloration. It was not lifted from the nail. Lifting is lifting, discoloration is discoloration. Next up is my trusty Dashboard Beauty number 12 Kolinsky brush. I love it. I love the size. I love the long bristles. I think I would try any brush if it had long bristles like that. And next I'm going in with the dark pink from ENL. I also get from Amazon. This is like a Amazon promo. Amazon hook your girl up. So usually when I start my sets off, I go in with a nice thin clear layer, my protective layer. Because this new growth area, this fill area is just so small, I'm not going to go in with clear. I'm just going to go straight in with the color. Sometimes when you are just filling this little area, you might not get enough color saturation. You put down a little bead, you just fill that little area, and you're like, it's not quite as dark or as potent as the rest of the nail or the rest of the acrylic color may be. So I don't want to put down clear and then color and lose any space to put down color saturation, if that makes sense, if you understand what I'm talking about. Now I will clear cap over all of this to protect that color. I'm putting enough to be able to drag some product down and freshen up and brighten up the old acrylic. and working on the apex and the cuticle area, filling that. And then I will clear cap over all of this to protect my fresh new color. That way I don't shave any bald spots and like the old dirty acrylic is shining through the new acrylic. And as you can see, I'm using my new Zuley's Clear to clear cap, just playing with this new clear, working with her, seeing how she acts on warmer days and colder days. I mean, all your products are different, they're not the same. You use a different monomer, a different product, a different clear, a different color. It basically all plays a part in your application. So this is the look. I'm happy with the fill. They feel stronger already as my acrylic is drying. I'm going to file off camera, you guys. I always tell you to check out the nail cards. You're missing out on fun freestyle sets and inspirational ideas that will live in your head forever. So here they are, honey, in all their glory. A long nail fill to me takes talent because the nails have totally readjusted. You have to rebalance the nails, move the apex back to a proper location. You might want to cut the nails back according to the new growth. Just making sure that they're just as strong as a fresh new set. So I know we just did a little fill, but the design is the most exciting part. And speaking of design, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, but I did start this set late. I've been super busy. I absolutely needed the fill. So I was like, girl, don't think too hard. Work smarter, not harder. We have been doing a design that I have been loving lately with the kind of like a blooming French. We've been doing that and I love it, and I've played with it in different colors, and I'm just addicted to it right now. So I was like, you know what? I looked at my gel polish and I was like, girl, we can do this design in like every color gel polish you have. Because it was very late and I was tired and I was like, what can I do that's cute, that I love, that's quick? And so we're going to do another rendition of that. I am unboxing my new nail lamp. I was so tempted, girl, to take yours out your giveaway box because y'all playing with this giveaway. But the giveaway will be announced October 28th. And those who signed up. You better check out my reels. You better check out my videos. And if you're interested, if you're a newbie, please enter the giveaway. Tons of amazing things you're going to love. And you also have your very own sun lamp, 220 watts. This girl don't play. She cures black, white, red, all kinds of dark colors in 60 seconds, okay? Literally. So after I added 2 coats to this black Frenchie, I did the black Frenchie, I did 2 coats, and now I'm going in with a blooming gel. I use it as a blooming gel. It's actually the Burano 3-in-1. So it's a base gel, a nail glue, and I don't know what the other thing is, but it's a 3-in-1, and I feel like it's the most amazing blooming. Like, you can try to bloom with base gel, but if you know, it doesn't quite work the same. So then I go in with my white stripes, and they bloomed out, and girl, it was so beautiful, so ghostly. I loved it. So that's the look I'm going to be doing today. I am going to continue with that design. Of course, I go down with a layer of base gel first. That way my polish and everything will be smooth and have a smooth surface to work on. If I need to clean up anything, it'll wipe off smoothly. So I'm going to go with my base gel, and then I'll work on my Frenchies and my white blooming. I just thought it was so pretty, kind of dark, kind of ghostly, kind of October, kind of Halloween-y. It's not too fancy. It's dark, it's sexy, and I love black and white. Who doesn't love a black and white nail? And although it's a design that we have been doing here, I've just been doing different renditions of it. It's so cute. Like, she keeps giving. It's the gift that doesn't stop giving. And it was so late. The Frenchies are really all over the place. Like, don't stare too hard. Okay, don't stare too hard. But I'm just so happy that I was able to do some of this. Like, I was so tired, but we've been practicing our Frenchies so much. We're actually good at it. And our brush has upped a level. It's officially a Frenchie brush. So she was very helpful, and it just worked, girl. Practice actually does help. And when you're doing this blooming, girl, move fast, okay? Have your brush loaded, have it right there, and just line, just hit it up and go because it starts to bloom very quickly. And then you're gonna wipe it off and you're just wasting product. So get in and get out on these, and it makes it so beautiful. Now, a design like this does have some texture, because we have painted polish on top of polish, which has raised it a little, ever so slightly. So I just like to put down like a thick coat of top coat and then flip the nail over so it just kind of smooths over much nicer. Ladies, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you to my new subscribers. I really, really appreciate y'all. Like, I really, really do. You make me feel good. You make me feel like you enjoy the content, which makes me want to give you more content. I know it's a simple look, but like I said, it's kind of dark, it's kind of sexy, and you know, it was like 2 o'clock in the morning, so it's perfect that I got a chance to do my fill. My nails feel really good, really strong, and we did a little cute design that we've done a few times, and it just looks good in every color, so I ain't mad at it, girl. I ain't mad at it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of these nails. Leave me a white heart, a black heart. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'm going to put up my little video, my little photo shoot. And now we have like a few sets of these and they look so good. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you. I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.